What is the point in the cooling towers? I am, of course, talking about the large concrete towers you see at power stations dotted around the country. I'm going to tell you the story of how power is generated from these conventional power plants. Coal, oil, and nuclear all use much the same thermodynamic process to generate energy. I'm going to focus on coal, but it's much the same for the other power plants. To generate electricity, you need a magnet to spin inside a coil. In a generator, a spinning magnet creates a force which pushes electrons down the coil and through the light bulbs in our homes. So, how do you get the energy from coal to spin a magnet? The answer lies in the power of steam. Coal is first pulverized in huge rotating grinding mills. Steel balls this size crush the coal into a fine powder, where it is then blown into a furnace and burnt with oxygen to release a huge amount of energy and a bit of carbon dioxide. This energy is then used to boil water in tubes in the furnace to generate steam. The steam is passed through a series of high and then low pressure steam turbines, which go on to spin a magnet in a generator to generate electricity. Just imagine for a moment, you hold a steel tray above a boiling kettle. What happens? You get water forming on the steel tray. So, this must not be allowed to happen inside the steam turbines, as it can cause damage to those turbine blades. And this is why you need a series of high and low pressure turbines to capture that energy. Power plants operate in a continuous cycle. Steam is boiled in the boiler and then sent through the turbines where it gives up its energy. So what happens to this steam now? It is condensed using vast quantities of cooling water from a nearby water source. It is this cooling water which is recirculated through cooling towers to provide the cooling effect. And I'll leave you with just one thought. If only we could harness this low-grade energy and use it to heat our homes. Thank you very much.